Today I'm going to show you how to build an invoice template in Notion Invoice Manager 2025. Open Notion, click into your Invoice Manager workspace. Now click New Page in the left sidebar. Type Invoice Template and press Enter. The page opens with a title up top and a blank body underneath. Click in the blank area just below the title, type /, then type columns. Press Enter on the two-column layout. The body splits into two side-by-side blocks. Click in the left column and type From. Press Enter. Type your business name, press Enter. Type your email. I leave that generic on purpose because this is the master template, not the first invoice. Now click in the right column and type Bill to. Press Enter. Type client name. Press Enter again. Type client email. Those are the two fields you will replace on every copy. Now click below those columns. Type / and choose columns again. In the left block, type invoice number. Press Enter. Type invoice 2025-001. That makes the format obvious when you duplicate it later. In the right block, type issue date. Press Enter. Type due date. I keep both dates as plain text, not real Notion date properties. Fixed dates in a template are dangerous because you will forget to change them and the client gets an invoice dated last month. Click below the second set of columns. Type /, then type database. Choose database inline. A blank database appears on the page with one column called name. Click the word name in the header. Type item and press Enter. Hover just to the right of item and click the plus sign. Choose number, type quantity, and press Enter. Now click the plus again. Choose number and name it rate. Click the plus one more time, choose formula, and name it amount. In the formula editor, type prop, open parentheses, quantity, close parentheses, space, asterisk, space, prop, open parentheses, rate, close parentheses. Press Enter. This is the step most people get wrong. If you type quantity times rate without the prop wrappers, Notion throws an error and the column stays empty. Click the first cell under item, type website design, press Enter. Move to quantity, type 4, and press Enter. Move to rate, type 125, and press Enter. The amount column now shows 500. Click the amount column header, choose calculate, then sum. Notion puts a total line under the column. If you see 500 in the row and 500 at the bottom, that is correct. Now hover over that sample row. Click the 6-dot handle on the left, choose delete row. The total clears out, which is what you want in a clean template. Now click below the table, type / and choose heading 2. Type payment details and press Enter. Then type bank transfer to account number 1234 or replace it with your own payment line. I keep this block short and put it below the table because clients skip long payment paragraphs and then email you asking where to pay. Now we make a reusable copy. Click the 3-dot menu at the top right of the page. Choose Duplicate. Notion adds a page called Invoice Template Copy in the sidebar. Click that copy and open it. Rename it something real like 2025 Client Invoice. Now you can fill in the client block, change the invoice number, and enter line items. The amount column recalculates on every row. I would not skip the duplicate step and just clear the original because somebody always overwrites the master and then the template is gone. Now if you need to send this as a PDF, open the duplicated invoice, click the 3-dot menu at the top right and choose Export. Notion gives you a PDF option that exports the page cleanly so you can email it without inviting a client into your workspace. And if you want to stop duplicating manually, open the master template, type /, choose Template button, and name it New Invoice. Drag the two column blocks and the database inside the button. After that, one click creates a fresh invoice instead of duplicating from the sidebar. Now if this got your invoice template working, give it a like, subscribe for more Notion setup, and leave a comment saying this was helpful. Comments are what push this to other people looking for the same thing.